Sometimes, when you're going live on Instagram, the camera tools on your Instagram Live page are on the right side. But if you'd prefer them on the left, you can move them. In this video, we'll show you how to move the camera tools to the left side of the Instagram Live page. To do this, open the Instagram app. Next, down here, you'll see your profile photo. Tap on it, and you'll notice a plus button. You can either tap this plus button and select Live, or look up top where there's another plus button and choose Live from there. Once you select Live, you'll land on the Live page. Up top, you'll see a Settings option. Tap on it, and you'll find the Camera Tools option. Under that, there's a choice between left side and right side. If it's set to right side, switch it to left side. Then, when you go back, you'll see the tools on the left side. And that's it. You can easily move the camera tools from the right to the left side on the Instagram Live page. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.